Yummy!
Sammy, what have you got there? I want one too! Ugh, where is it? I remember having it here. Yay, here it is! I'm going to eat a delicious donut. Oh, is that a sock? Ew! Sam, are they at least clean? Hey guys, today we're going to make a super duper donut machine.
What? Donuts? I love donuts.
Guys, have you seen snack vending machines? This craft is very much like those.
I'm ready and equipped. Where do we start?
First, we'll make parts of the coin box.
Wait. We'll have to pay to get a donut? I never agreed to that.
Of course, Sammy, just like in a shop. There are so many parts. Will you help me?
Well, if so, of course I will. I love working with cardboard. Guys, don't you lose me, okay? I'll be right back.
Let's put these parts together. Do what I do. When you glue the parts, press them together a bit, like this. The first part is ready, but there will be a lot more. There are dozens of small parts in our machine.
That was easy. Maybe you have a more difficult task?
Okay, Master Sam, I'll think of something interesting for you.
I want a super tough task in this craft. After all, I am a donut expert.
Well, that's new. Come on, tell us something thrilling.
Just a sec. So, fact number 1, the world record for the biggest box of donuts held 2,700 donuts!
Wow, I can't imagine how much effort it takes to put them all inside.
And I can't imagine how much effort it takes to eat them all.
I wouldn't even eat 5. Ugh, guys, do any of you love donuts that much? Write your favorite topping in the comments.
So, what are you doing now?
A container that will catch all the coins that go through the coin slot. Sammy, could you get me a large paperclip?
No problem. I hope I can find it. Oh, geez, Sue, what if it bites me?
Don't worry, Sammy. There, I took it. Feel better now?
Oh, I don't even know. If someone gave me a donut, I'd recover real fast.
Sammy, I'm worried that sweets will make your stomach hurt. Why don't you have some fruit instead? It's sweet too, but it has a lot of vitamins in it.
Okay, then I'll eat an apple. I think I saw one in the kitchen.
Look here, guys. This is a part of the coin box. I used toothpicks with cut-off ends and halves of toothpicks to secure the mechanism.
Delicious.
No worse than donuts?
Sure. Anyway, there's one legitimate day a year when I have to eat a donut.
Really? So what's this special day?
It's the annual National Donut Day.
No kidding. Guys, did you know about this holiday? Sam's on a roll today.
True, huh?
Guys, we're assembling the bottom part of our machine.
I folded it. Looks like a slide.
It does. Donuts will be sliding down it. Whoosh.
Right into my mouth.
I hope there will be something left for me. Guys, we're about to put up the walls. Sammy, could you fetch a wall for our machine?
They all look the same. I nearly failed to find it.
You're so grumpy, Sammy. You got the right one, though. One wall is up and ready and looking good.
Look, Sue, I also made a part for our craft.
Good job. Guys, Sam and I wrote the measurements for all the parts. Make the crafts together with us. Now we'll attach the inner partition. On one side, we'll have our coin box. On the other side, donuts will be waiting for their turn to be dispensed. Sammy, tell us what we're going to do next.
What is it that we need to do? All right, we should put up another wall a little way off from the inner partition.
That's right. We'll repeat the steps. Do you remember them? First, we apply some glue. Then, we put the wall right here. Done. We'll have donuts in this part here, and the coins will fall here. Time to put up the walls to hold blocks in place. They won't let it shift inside the machine. Sam, what are you doing?
I want the glue to set completely. Will it help?
Maybe. We're about to find out. Let me try to rock it. Yes, you did really well, Sammy.
Cool. We'll have the best donut machine in the world. Da, 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 da.
We already glued 2 wooden stick halves and this part here.
I've never tried so hard for donuts' sake yet.
Well done, Sammy. You cut it all out.
I love sweets too much, and I suffer because of it.
Oh, come on. I know you like making crafts, By the way, do you already know how to decorate our machine?
Shivery chitters, I almost forgot! Right. Oh, here they are, my sweeties. I'll be right back.
Sam is really good at decorating. Do you agree with me, guys? Soon there will be so many delicious donuts here. By the way, what kind of donuts do you like? Write in the comments. Ta-da! I think it looks really cool. I wonder how Sammy's doing.
Da-da-dee, da-da-da. Sammy did it, voila!
Sammy, you're a poet too. We need to find a place for these appetizing donuts for everyone to see. 1, 2, 3. Here are our walls. These will be our side walls. Beautiful.
Interesting. I like it, Sue.
It's going just great. What have you got there, Sammy?
I guess I got dirty while I was cutting out donuts, yeah.
It's powdered sugar. Well, Mr. Sweet Tooth, I caught you red-handed.
Well, it was all alone over there. It was probably scared and sad, so I ate it.
Don't try to make excuses, mister. I know all your tricks. Anyway, one donut won't do you any harm. And since you had a nice snack, you'll help me with the craft?
Whee! Sam to the rescue. What should I do?
I'm going to finish the donut storage. And then we'll finish our machine together. Done! Well, guys, get ready for the final part. Let's go!
Soon we'll be eating oily cakes. Da-da-da-da-da.
Oily cakes? Where did you hear that?
What, you don't know? That's what they call donuts in mid-19th century Denmark.
You do know a lot about donut history. Our Sammy is very smart, isn't he? If you like learning interesting facts, give this video a thumbs up. I'm about to show you the secret part of our mechanism. Our machine doesn't accept small coins, but this coin is okay, and we'll be able to get a donut. Cool, right?
Holy cannoli, Sue, you are a true genius.
Thank you, Sammy. By the way, we need to buy 3 donuts.
Oh, can I have more donuts? Can I?
Sammy, it's for the machine. We need to put something in it, you know?
All right, I'll go get them. I'll be right back.
Only 3, Sammy, no more. I hope he doesn't buy the whole shop. Now we'll glue it in place carefully. And the outer wall. A little more. Great, ready.
I got them. Wow, you're done already? Awesome!
Now I'm definitely done. What do you say, guys?
Aren't you forgetting something?
Oh, Sammy, what would I do without you?
Well, we could use some decoration for sure. So we need a magic shot.
And got it. Well, shall we test our machine? Sam, load it with donuts.
Hey, ready.
Delicious.
Sue, may I have another bite, please?
Sure, Sammy, here you go. This one tastes great too. I tried it.
Like I can't make a joke.
Time to say goodbye, guys. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up.
Bye, guys. Comment and tell Sue to share a donut with me.
There's a donut with strawberry frosting waiting for him. Don't worry. Bye, and see you soon.